The 2007 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, heated door mirrors, skid plates, a roof rack, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.